Welcome to the March market update. I'm Tony Marlette Jr., advisor at Brookside Tax and Financial Group. Just a reminder, if you call our office or go online in the next 48 hours and reference this video, you'll receive a complimentary consultation as well as a copy of one of our books on retirement and estate planning. If we get into some issues that the market is facing, we're going to talk about the events between Russia and Ukraine. We're going to discuss these obviously from a business and economic, almost a micro standpoint, but we're obviously aware that there are real lives at stake here and people that are being affected more than anything that we're going to talk about in this video. That being said, some of those geopolitical concerns have added to the inflation concerns that we've been experiencing as well. The market did drop into correction territory, which means a 10% decrease from recent highs in the markets that we saw in January of this year. So these are related to each other, but the news is not all that bad. The majority of companies in the S&P 500 that have reported have had positive earnings, and that's led to our partners at Gradient Investments increasing their projections for performance this year for between 8 and 10% to finish this year out. Stocks are down in value, but they're not necessarily cheap. We think the prices are very reasonable. And as we've been discussing, a lot of times people can find a safe haven in bond investments. That's not going to be the case this year, as we've discussed in the past as well, with interest rates going up. And we just had the Federal Reserve Board come out and say within the next couple weeks, they do expect the first of these rate increases to occur for about 1/4 percentage point. Precious metals being the exception, there have not been any safe haven for investors to hide as far as traditional investments go. It's been very challenging, but it does not last. We sent out a special market update video last week, encouraging everybody to not panic. This is going to provide you an opportunity to develop a sound investment and financial plan featuring growth assets and safety assets as well. Work with your financial professional to do that. Of course, you can schedule with us as well by giving us a call or visiting us online. From all of us at Brookside, we look forward to working with you. Thank you for working with us.